Hi everyone, welcome back to Ramim Hosain. Today, I'm going to share with you a simple and effective way to become fluent in English in just 4 steps. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your skills, these steps will help you achieve fluency. So let's dive in. Step 1. Immerse yourself in English. The first key to fluency is immersion. Surround yourself with the language as much as possible. Watch English movies, listen to English podcasts, and try to read books or articles in English. The more you expose yourself to the language, the more natural it will become. Step 2.
Practice speaking regularly.
Speaking is crucial for fluency. Try to practice speaking English every day, even if it's just for a few minutes. You can practice with language exchange partners, join conversation groups, or use language learning apps that focus on speaking skills. Remember, the more you practice, the more confident you'll become. Step 3. Expand your vocabulary. Building a strong vocabulary is essential for fluency. Learn new words and phrases daily and try to use them in sentences. Keep a vocabulary journal or use flashcards to help remember and review new words. The larger your vocabulary, the easier it will be to express yourself. Step 4. Understand grammar and structure. While you don't need to be a grammar expert, having a good grasp of grammar rules and sentence structures will improve your fluency. Study the basics of English grammar and practice forming sentences correctly. This will help you communicate more effectively and confidently. And that's it. Follow these 4 steps. Immerse yourself, practice speaking, expand your vocabulary, and understand grammar. And you'll be well on your way to becoming fluent in English.
Before we end today's tutorial, let's go over some key vocabulary words that we discussed. Immerse. To get deeply involved in something. Example, immerse yourself in English by watching English TV shows every day. Key, very important or essential. Example, practice is the key to learning English. Fluent, able to speak a language easily and smoothly. Example, after a year of practice, she became fluent in English. Surround, to be all around something or someone. Example, surround yourself with English speakers to learn faster. Expose, to make someone familiar with something. Example, expose yourself to English by reading books and listening to music in English. Crucial, extremely important. Example, speaking English every day is crucial for becoming fluent. Expand, to make something larger or more extensive. Example, expand your vocabulary by learning new words daily. Flashcards, small cards used to help remember information. Example, use flashcards to remember new English words. Express, to say or show what you are thinking or feeling. Example, learning more words helps you express your thoughts better in English. Focus, to pay close attention to something. Example, focus on practicing your speaking skills to improve fluency.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and see you next time.